Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports Apple Pay and that iOS is up to date. This avoids hiccups. Next, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. Use the camera or enter details manually. You'll be prompted to verify the card with your bank via SMS or their app. Complete that verification. Once confirmed, the card appears in Wallet and is ready for the next configuration steps. Once your card is in Wallet, make it the default if you prefer one card for most purchases. This saves time at checkout. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode is enabled so authentication is fast and secure. Then practice the physical motion. Double-click the side button on Face ID phones or use Wallet from the home screen, then hold the top of the iPhone near the payment terminal until you feel a tap and see Done. To complete a payment, hold your iPhone close to the terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Look for the checkmark and Done message. After purchases, review transactions in Wallet and remove or update cards from card details. If something goes wrong, like a card failing to add, restart your phone, confirm region and date/time settings, and call your bank to ensure the card is enabled for mobile payments. That usually fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.